Welcome to the First Hour Town demo on genealogy. This demo will cover importing a genealogy file from your desktop genealogy program. Remember that you can export your genealogy files from the File drop-down menu, selecting Export, and it'll export a file in the standard Gedcom 5 format. First, let's look at this user, MEYJOH001, John Myers, and let's zoom in on one of his markers, which happens to be a one-room schoolhouse in Richland County. You can get there various ways, but let's look at the piece of media where he has assigned people to this class of one-room schoolhouse students. So let's view this class with assigned people, which we learned from a previous demo. Now what we have are a list of names that are in John's My People menu tab bar list. Which he added himself, first name, middle name, last name, also known as nickname, etc. Now this is typical of a casual user who is just identifying and making note of a lot of community activity, of life events of people this user knows. Now let's say you want to get a little more sophisticated and zero in on exact people and their profiles compiled from a Gedcom perspective. What you would do would be to select the My Gedcom tab. Currently there are no records selected for this user, and then you want to import a file from your desktop Gedcom program or one borrowed from one of your relatives. And what you would do is select Import from the left-hand menu, and you would browse your hard drive for that file. I'm going to look in Gedcom Files, and I'm going to pick this Gedcom file, wachtelftm.ged, which is the standard format for that file. Now the system will upload the information on that file, which has been exported from your desktop genealogy program. This particular file was my uncle's, and he exported the file and emailed it to me. I put it out on the hard drive, and now I am bringing it into the system using the import function. I get a return Wachtel Gedcom file uploaded. So now I want to go look at the uploaded items by selecting the menu selection in the left-hand menu. And now I have a complete list of all of the, I believe, over 300 names and Gedcom information from this file. And I have records ready for import, and then there's also records with conflicts. Now I don't have any conflicts because this was the very first file I am importing. And I'll peruse this file and just upload the Wachtels, or the first 25 names, this page. So I'm going to select these items line by line, there I've selected about 25 items to import, and I'm going to hit import selection and import these Gedcom names with all of their data into the system. Now then, let's just go look at my Gedcom. And you can see those names that I've selected have been imported with details. I'm going to select Earl Glenn Wachtel Jr. details, family relationships, Gedcom events, birth, etc. So now you see how this user, John Myers, can import Gedcom names and data from an import file. Thank you.